So back in 2019, Vasily Builds built a custom shifter cart frame to house his KX 250 two-stroke engine that he reused from an old dirt bike. But since then, he has started working on other builds, and eventually he left it behind. So before he was able to scrap it, he decided to pass me the torch. Not only did it kickstart his channel, it gave me an opportunity to breathe new life into what was an abandoned shifter cart. And since then, I brought it back to life with a brand new engine, brand new tires, brand new brakes. This thing is now ready to rip. So before we was going to rip this thing, I was wanting to upgrade the bracket that held up the brake. We decided to go ahead and cut that off, weld it on, and put the brakes back together. So I went ahead and unplugged the oil sensor so that the engine would stop wanting to die whenever we go up little hills. We just finished welding that up. He just went off again.
Dang, you got this thing cleaned up. Nice. You got a hydro e-brake right here?
Mm-hmm.
Does it lock up to the axle?
No, not at all.
Man, it's good to see this thing running with an engine. I mean, it was just sitting. I was about to throw it away. How are these tires?
Oh, they're good.
They're good?
Yeah, we just finished airing them up because they were pretty low, but they're holding the air pretty good.
You didn't want to do the motorcycle engine on here?
I thought about it, but I didn't want to pay $3,000 for a motorcycle.
I mean, $700 off market.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I'll have to take it for a rip. I forgot you gotta push forward, not back.
There he goes.
Man, it's a little rough with no suspension. I don't know if it's these tires. Yeah, it's a little rough, but no, it's fun. Took me back to my childhood. Yeah, I had that red go-kart. That thing did like 54. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
$46, $47.
That is
Bro,
fast.
I got you going 46.
It's 46.
Maybe closer to 47. How did it feel like going that fast?
Dude, my eyes were watering. Man, I think it'd be better to have some sort of goggles or something.
Yeah, you need a helmet, bro. You need a helmet.
Dude, that is fast. Wow.
You think we could rip their field up?
I don't think they'd mind.
I go on the gravel bit, probably.
We could probably do donuts.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
In the gravel. We gotta be in and out though.
Give it a try. Grass all over you.
Oh, dang. That's crazy.
You don't go to this church, do you?
No. No.
Yeah, see? It's not even noticeable at all. Hey, thanks for coming over.
Yeah, no problem.
I had a great time.
I did too.
That is crazy. Hey, I'll see you later. A little bit of an accident. Dad ran into the car. Where's my phone? Dad ran into the car. Oh.
That's what happens when you ain't got no brakes.
Now it's time for the top speed run. Top speed was 47
47
miles an hour. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. I know this video is a little shorter than I would want it to be, but I enjoyed making this video. It was fun. I want to thank Vasily Builds for coming over and riding this. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.